Who said beans akara can last for weeks? Today we are proving that totally wrong. I'm going to show you how to make crispy, delicious akara chips. A recipe that is not only simple, but perfect for snacking, selling or taking with you on the go. No more rushing to fry akara every time. You can now make it once and enjoy it for weeks, just like every other crunchy snacks. So let's get started. I begin by measuring 2 cups of beans into a bowl. I add some water and gently rub the beans between my palms to remove the skin. Once the beans are fully peeled and clean, this is how they look, perfect and ready for blending. Next, I pour the beans into a blender, add some diced onions and a little water, and blend until smooth. You can blend your pepper at this stage too, but I prefer adding mine later. Please note, unlike regular akara where you can slice your pepper and onions, for akara chips, everything must be blended together so that the batter fries smoothly. Once blended, I transfer the mixture into a bowl and started whisking using a wooden spatula or a hand whisk, just like you see in this video. Don't skip this step. Whisking for 5 to 7 minutes helps the cheese fries beautifully and comes out crispy. Now it is time to thicken the batter. I add 2 cups of cassava flour. I start by mixing in the first cup of cassava flour, then the second. This gives the batter a perfect thick consistency, so your akara chips comes out dry, crunchy and not oily. Next, I add my seasoning, salt, seasoning powder and pepper. Then mix everything until well combined. Your butter should look like this, thick enough not to soak up oil while frying. Now let's fry. I pour some of the batter into a piping bag. This is also another episode of my How to Make Cassava Flour at Home series. If you want to learn that, I already have a video on it. With my oil preheated, I add a ball of onions for that beautiful aroma. Then pipe the batter directly into the oil. Don't stir immediately. Let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes so it sets well. After that, stir gently and flip so both sides fries evenly. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Then remove from the oil. Repeat the same process until all the batter is fried. Just look at what we got from only 2 cups of beans and cassava flour. Crispy, golden and absolutely beautiful. Our akara chips are ready. Crunchy, flavorful and smells amazing. Now for the business part. Once cooled, pack them in an airtight containers or nylon bag to keep them fresh for weeks. You can package them in different styles. Even pair them with garri. Just like that, your small business idea has started. You can enjoy these chips with pap, bread, or however you like it. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.